In this video, you'll learn how to build your first workflow in n8n. By following the steps outlined, you will create a functional automation that meets your needs effectively. Begin by navigating to the n8n workflow automation interface. Open your web browser and enter the n8n URL to access the platform. Once the page loads, you will see the main dashboard, which displays existing workflows and options to create new ones. Next, locate the plus icon, typically found on the main dashboard. This icon is usually positioned prominently, allowing users to start a new workflow easily. Click on this plus icon to initiate the creation of your first workflow. After that, select the option labeled Workflow from the menu that appears. This action will direct you to the workflow creation interface, where you can begin adding steps and defining the logic. Once this appears, look for the Create button, which is usually highlighted for visibility. Click on Create to begin building the workflow structure. Then choose the option labeled Personal to categorize your workflow appropriately. This step is essential for organizing your projects and making them easier to manage later. Following that, find and click on Add First Step. This prompt will allow you to begin adding the necessary components that will drive the automation process. If you wish to utilize AI capabilities, click on Build with AI. This option will provide you with advanced features that enhance your workflow's functionality. Afterward, click on the plus icon again to add another step. This repetition allows you to build a more complex workflow with multiple interconnected actions. Next, select On Chat Message from the list of available triggers. This action will set the conditions under which your workflow will be activated. Once you've configured the trigger, click on Test this trigger to ensure that it functions correctly. Testing is crucial to verify that your workflow responds as expected to incoming messages. Following the test, click on the plus icon again to add another step to your workflow. This allows you to continue building the automation. Then select Flow from the available options to define the flow of actions that will occur after your trigger. Next, click on Merge to combine different paths or actions within your workflow. This step is essential for creating a cohesive automation process. After that, click on Execute Step to run the defined actions within your workflow. Running the step will provide immediate feedback on its performance. Once executed, click on the plus icon again to add another step, expanding the capabilities of your workflow. Then select Data Transformation to modify the data being processed in your workflow. This step is important for ensuring that your data meets the desired format. Next, click on AI Transform to apply artificial intelligence capabilities to your data transformation process. This can enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of your workflow. Finally, click on Execute Step once more to run the entire workflow and test its functionality. This final step confirms that all components work together as intended. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.